Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you my Forsaken OC. Let's get into it. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video of Indie Gamer here. Today I got a Forsaken character idea, the Skull King. So, I have a paper drawing of his abilities that I will put in later in the video. But, until then, I'll tell you, like, stuff that, like, sounds he would make. So in killing someone, he would play this sound. And when he loses, he will play this sound. But when he wins, he'll play this song.
More bones for my stash. Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right. What did he say? More bones to his stash? Yeah, stash?
And yeah, that's just like some music. But the chase theme, oh my lordy lord. It would last for a minute, then it would loop again, but the chase theme would be this.
I can't stop
Cause spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Click the coffin, shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shiver in space when you hear these zombies shriek. March those sorry skeletons, your song is understood.
Dun, 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 dun. Welcome to my mana. Dun, 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 dun. You're instantly petrified. Now time to say goodnight. Goodnight.
Yeah, that would be his chase theme. And when using infect, he would play this sound. And then when using he has a laser ability that gives bone 2 or bone free, I don't know, something bone something for 3 seconds. And when he misses, it would play this sound. But when he lands a hit, it'll play this sound. Anyways, I'll let the chase theme go on from here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe button since this is going to be edited. You're not going to hear me talking. If you do, it's a voiceover. So, yeah. It's just a simple idea.